electricity didn't come from power plants, coal, or even solar panels on your roof? What if it came directly from space? No clouds, no nightfall, no weather interruptions? In 2025, Japan is preparing to do something humanity has dreamed about for decades, beaming solar power from orbit straight down to Earth. It sounds like science fiction, but this time it's real. A small satellite named OHISAMA is about to test whether the sun's energy can be captured in space and wirelessly transmitted to the ground. And if this works, it could completely change how the world is powered. Welcome back to VibeVerse, the home of smart, viral, daily. If you love discovering what the world will look like tomorrow, today hit subscribe and join the VibeVerse family. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic energy experiments ever attempted, Japan's OHISAMA mission, a project that could redefine clean energy forever. Fact 1. What is OHISAMA? OHISAMA, which means sun in Japanese, is a pioneering space-based solar power experiment led by Japan Space Systems. The mission's goal is simple but revolutionary: collect sunlight in orbit and send that energy back to Earth wirelessly. Unlike ground solar panels, this system operates above the atmosphere, where sunlight is constant and uninterrupted. Fact 2. Why space solar is so powerful on Earth. Solar panels lose efficiency due to clouds, dust, seasons, and night. In space, none of those problems exist. Satellites orbit the planet in near continuous sunlight, meaning solar panels can collect energy almost 24/7. That makes space solar power far more reliable than anything on the ground. Fact 3. The satellite is surprisingly small. The OHISAMA satellite weighs just 180 kilograms, about the size of a large refrigerator. Despite its small size, it carries solar panels, power conversion hardware, and microwave transmission systems. This lightweight design keeps launch costs low while proving that even small satellites can deliver big ideas. Fact for turning sunlight into microwaves. Since OHISAMA collects sunlight, it converts that energy into microwave, a safe, well-understood form of electromagnetic radiation. These microwaves are then directed toward Earth in a focused beam. On the ground, special antennas receive the microwaves and convert them back into usable electricity. Fact 5. How much power will it send? The first demonstration will transmit about 1 kilowatt of power, roughly enough to run a coffee maker. While that may sound small, the goal isn't quantity yet. The real achievement is proving that power can be sent accurately, safely, and wirelessly from orbit. Every major technology starts small. Fact 6. Tracking a satellite moving at 28,000 km, or OHISAMA, will orbit Earth at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour. To maintain a stable connection, Japan will deploy ground receiving stations spread across 40 kilometers. These stations will track the satellite's movement and ensure the microwave beam stays locked on target as it speeds overhead. Fact 7. Why this is technically difficult. Beaming energy from space is incredibly complex. Engineers must deal with signal alignment, energy loss, orbital motion, atmospheric interference, and safety limits. Even a tiny error in aiming could scatter the beam. Successfully delivering power from a moving satellite is a massive engineering challenge, which is why this test matters so much. Fact 8. This is just the first step. OHISAMA is a proof of concept, not the final vision. Future versions could involve is leading this effort. Japan has long invested in advanced energy solutions, especially after facing energy shortages and natural disasters. Space-based solar power offers energy independence, stability, and carbon-free electricity. By leading early, Japan positions itself at the forefront of a technology that could become globally essential. Fact 10. What this could mean for the world if space-based solar power becomes scalable. It could provide clean energy 24/7, reduce dependence on fossil fuels, power remote or disaster-stricken regions, stabilize global energy grids, help fight climate change. Energy would no longer be limited by geography or whether it would come from space itself. Conclusion: the beginning of a new energy era. Japan's OHISAMA mission may only power a coffee maker today, but it represents something far bigger, a future where Earth is powered by the sun, directly from space. Every great technological leap begins with a small, daring experiment, and this one could reshape how civilization survives and grows. If this futuristic breakthrough blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to VibeVerse for more smart, viral, daily content that brings tomorrow's world to your screen today. The sun has always powered life on Earth. Now, humanity is learning how to collect it from space.